Do you want to speak English every day but don't know where to start? In the next 8 minutes, you're going to practice 30 simple English sentences that you can use in your daily life, anytime, anywhere. These 30 phrases will help you to talk about your routine, your day, and your life with confidence. Here is how it works. I will say a sentence twice, and then I'll pause for you to repeat after me. For the first 8, I will remind you to repeat, and then we'll keep the momentum going with just a pause. Don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. I am Deacon Rigo, and welcome to Learn British English. Let's begin with part 1, waking up. You listen and then repeat after me. Here we go. Number 1. I wake up early. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I get out of bed. Repeat after me. I get out of bed. I feel sleepy. Repeat after me. I feel sleepy. I stretch my body. Repeat after me. I stretch my body. Good job. Now we move to the second part called the bathroom. Number 5. I brush my teeth. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat after me. I wash my face. I take a shower. Repeat after me. I take a shower. The water is cold. Repeat after me. The water is cold. You're doing great. Now we move to the next part, which is getting dressed. Number 9. I get dressed. I get dressed. I wear clean clothes. I wear clean clothes. 10 phrases down, you're doing great. Now keep the rhythm going. Number 11. I comb my hair. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I look in the mirror. Now I'm almost ready. It's time for breakfast. I make breakfast. I make breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink tea or coffee. I drink tea or coffee. The food is hot. The food is hot. Now let's practice saying good morning in English. Number 17. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How are you? I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Have a good day. Have a good day. Now we come to the last part. I'm leaving the house now, and we are almost there. Number 21. I get my bag. I get my bag. I check my phone. I check my phone. I'm ready to go. I am ready to go. I lock the door. I lock the door. I leave the house. I leave the house. I walk to work. I walk to work. I take the bus. I take the bus. I am on my way. I am on my way. I arrive on time. I arrive on time. Number 30. I start my day. I start my day. Excellent work, excellent work. You did it. In just 8 minutes, you practiced 30 essential phrases to describe your day. Tell me in the comments which phrase was your favorite. And if you stayed with me the whole time, comment, I spoke. Subscribe for more of this daily conversation series. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And by the way, don't forget to turn on the notification button. Cheers!